and excited to be here with you guys today. And as you can see, I have a mouth-watering offer for you. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that you can see this amazing property I have to show you today. Hello, my name is Victoria Chinzirum, and I am your #1 real estate consultant and agent here in Enugu State. Now, I'll be showing you the latest and newest estate in Enugu State. So make sure you stay to the end of this video and don't miss out on this ember opportunity I have for you today. Now, behind me is Divine Acres Estate, okay, phase 2. It is located at Peace Layout, UGWOGO, right, Enugu State. Now, this amazing property has deed of assignment and registered survey plan. The actual price of a property here is 3.5 million naira, but due to the pre-launched sale, we'll be selling it for 2.5 million naira. Now, not only will you be getting this property for a pre-launched price of 2.5 million naira, you will get the chance to win Ember promo gifts for buying for more than 5 plots of this land to at least 30 to 40 plots, right? There is a lot of gifts to be won, from LG products worth 150 to 500k to a brand new Android phone, a brand new iPhone 14, then you have the rice, you have the cooking oil, and so much more, right? So call me now on the number that is displayed on the screen for more details concerning this amazing estate, and make sure you don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. As you can see, it has an amazing access road, okay, and the plots are already cleared, okay. Very soon, very soon, this plot will be going back to its normal price of 3.5 million naira. So call me and buy your plots today while it's still selling for 2.5 million naira. I'll be waiting and expecting to hear from you, okay? Now on the number that is displayed on the screen, 09135032736, to book and buy your plots in this amazing estate. It's plenty. Like I said, there are a lot of gifts to be won, so don't miss out on this amazing opportunity, okay?